First, please find a power supply USB cable, place at the back side of this product, then link it to computer's USB port. Then connect the keyboard and mouse to the USB port on the rear side of the product. Then plug HDMI image output cable into the right side USB port of this product, then link the other side to the HDMI input port of LCD screen. If your LCD screen does not have an HDMI input port, just use HDMI to VGA converter. And then plug the same HDMI image input cable into the left rear side USB port of this product, then link the other side to the HDMI output port of computer host. If your computer host does not have HDMI output, just use VGA to convert HDMI. You can then plug the smartphone HDMI image output cable into the left former side of the product, then link the other side to the HDMI output port of smartphone. Both iOS and Android smartphones can use either wired or wireless HDMI image input cable to connect the HDMI image output port of your smartphone. As last step, when Bluetooth connection is done, everything will be ready.